What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mishimoto channel. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to install our brand new expansion tank for the 2019 Plus Ram with the 6.7 liter Cummins. So let's get right to it. Just a quick note, for this install video, we'll only be showing you how to install our expansion tank. So in order to take off the other pieces, please refer to the OEM service manual or our written service guide. As written in our install guide, here are some parts you'll need to disassemble and remove first before you begin the installation process. For the first step, if you're not draining the entire cooling system, pinch off the lower expansion tank hose. Place a container underneath the expansion tank and remove the hose clamp and hose from the tank to drain it into the container. For the next step, disconnect the plug from the stock level sensor. Next, remove the tree clip securing the upper tank hoses from the tank. Then remove the two hose clamps and disconnect the two upper hoses from the tank. Once that's done, remove the three nuts securing the stock tank to the vehicle. Then remove the bolt securing the line bracket to the tank, and remove the tank. Then, using the two supplied M6 bolts, flat washers, and lock washers, attach the mounting bracket to the Mishimoto Expansion Tank. For this next step, install the Mishimoto tank onto the vehicle and secure it with the three nuts removed in step 4. Then connect the stock level sensor plug to the plug on the level sensor installed in the Mishimoto tank. Once you're done with that, connect the lower tank hose to the Mishimoto expansion tank. Next, install the upper tank hoses onto the ports on the Mishimoto expansion tank and secure with the two provided hose clamps. Then attach the tree clips to the tank. Next, reattach the line bracket to the Mishimoto tank with the bolt that was removed in step 5. At this point, the install is complete and you can now reassemble the vehicle. You can then refill the cooling system according to the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. All right guys, that is it for this video. But as always, if you want to buy one of our expansion tanks for your vehicle, hit the first link down below in the description, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all on the next one.